On Wednesday, the Election Commission took action against former Telangana CM and BRS chief K. Chandrasekhar Rao, barring him from campaigning for 48 hours effective from 8 p.m. today. This decision was made due to derogatory and objectionable statements made by Rao against the Congress party. The EC's action followed a complaint filed by Congress leader G. Niranjan, prompting the Commission to issue a notice to K. Chandrasekhar Rao. The EC noted that Rao had previously received several advisories and instructions regarding his speeches. The 48-hour ban imposed on the former Telangana Chief Minister came into effect at 8 p.m. on Wednesday. Following Congress leader Randeep Singh Surjewala, K. Chandrasekhar Rao becomes the second politician to face a 48-hour ban on campaigning during the ongoing Lok Sabha elections. In a letter addressed to KCR, the Election Commission of India stated that his statements were in violation of the Model Code of Conduct. G. Niranjan, Senior Vice President of the Telangana Pradesh Congress Committee, alleged that KCR had made derogatory remarks against the Congress on April 5th. Notably, the Sirsila Assembly constituency is represented by KCR's son K.T. Ramarao. In response to Niranjan's complaint, the EC had instructed the Chief Electoral Officer of Telangana to submit a factual report, which was completed on April 10th. The Election Commission received a response from KCR on April 23rd to its show cause notice. In his response, he stated that the officer in charge of the election in Telangana and Sirsila are not Telugu people and they hardly understand the local dialect. He argued that the complaint filed by the Congress had taken some sentences from his press conference out of context and that the English translation of those sentences was incorrect and twisted. KCR also emphasized that his criticism was directed towards the policies and programs of the Congress in the state and he did not criticize any personal aspects of Congress leaders. However, despite KCR's explanations, the Election Commission cited the Model Code of Conduct, which prohibits political leaders from making false statements and utterances without factual basis aimed at misleading voters. The EC observed that KCR's statements were in violation of the MCC. A BRS leader stated that KCR will abide by the EC's direction.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.